Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to the TPX reviews. Today's review is actually not really much of a review, it's more of a documentation of a burn. So basically it's the last energy drink that Stain has sent over to me, and you know, it's one of the last burns, last drinks, everything, so it is the last one. So yeah, it's a zero regular burn. So that means that it's just going to taste more along the lines of the original, but with less sugar and all that stuff. So I have to document this gorgeous can, but that's all it really is just a pretty can. So it basically looks exactly like an Absolute Zero that we have over here. Blue that fades to a black. But blue flames are probably my favorite in any situation. So energy drink or photo or video game, if you know what I mean. Blue flames in video games, so blue flames are just beautiful to me, and always been a huge fan of it. So I'll let you guys just kind of pause this. I've already pretty much read this on every can. Well, I've showed this on every can, only read it on one. So yep, give you guys the barcode information. I don't know if people even care about that, but things change, or they need to know a SKU number for their own little project or whatever. That's pretty much the documentation part of it. Smells like regular burn. Actually, it kind of smells like Red Bull. Actually, I really hate that smell. That's not really a nice smell at all. It's very, so put that like that. Yeah, it's got the Red Bull smell, Monster smell. I don't know, one of those. One of that cotton candy smells, it's just whatever. So, take a sip. I mean, it's good. I like it because the fact that it's a drink, and I could use a nice refreshing beverage right now. It's pretty warm, so it's good. It tastes just like the original burn with that, I got that 0-calorie taste. Kind of feel like they're more refreshing because they don't have so much of a very heavy taste, but then it's got that weird aftertaste that I hate. So, it's pretty much like a Red Bull, which is so not typical of burn. But they decided to go pretty cheap on this one. Cheap on this whole, like, when they redid the can color. This would technically be the look of a Burn Day. Burn Day had this type of looking can with the blue. And let me tell you, Burn Day, or better known as Blue Refresh, was awesome. It was delicious. This is far from that. Yeah, Blue Flame indicated Burn Day, Blue Refresh, which was a delicious blueberry or blue raspberry type of flavor, and it was just so much better. So, as a typical 0-carb drink, it gets a 7, maybe an 8. That's it. That's really all there is. So, yeah, it's an average. It's kind of like a Red Bull clone to me. Just all of it. The original burn that I just reviewed was like a Red Bull or Rockstar clone, and this is a 0-carb version of it, or a 0-calorie version of it. So, pretty much that's everything. And yeah, stay tuned for more reviews. Let's see if I can find anything to review for you guys. And yeah, that concludes the Burn saga and the Stain saga. I'm sure I have something else to review for you guys. So until then, TPX reviews with Burn Energy Drink Zero. Hope you guys enjoyed my really fast review. Peace.